Hey guys, something that we have that's really fun for our nails and it changes the look of our nails is called our chromes. And we have them in a few different colors. I think it's 7 different colors that we have. But yeah, they come, see they're little powders. So I'm going to show you how we apply them, and they're very easy because trust me, it all has to be easy for me to use it. So I'll show you guys what I do. These are newer to us and they're fun. They're just like a little powder that it'll change the way your nail looks. So right now I have Pampered Tulips on my nails. It's this color, which is really fun for summer. And I'll show you how easy it is to do the chrome. So you just take a little bit of powder on the applicator brush, which it comes with, and we'll do this nail here. You just go in this kind of a circular motion and you can see it's already getting shiny. So it's completely changing the way my whole nail looks, and it looks really cool, different colors over top. So look at that. And then I'll do this nail in a different color. Let's try this one here just to show you the difference. This is more of a holographic. So this one's kind of I'll show you, it's more holographic, means it kind of changes in the light a little bit. And this one you can see through it a little bit more. Isn't that neat? And so then I could just wipe this right off. Oh, actually, the one thing I wasn't doing is I needed to make sure I was going in circles just to make sure. See how that looks better. I need to go in circles on that one as well. And so I could just wipe this right off because it's just a powder, but how you seal it is you take Clearly Frisky, which is a clear, it's a clear polish that we have, and you just put it over top, just like you do our normal, like any gel polish that we have, just like that. And this stuff will just fall right off, and then you just cure it under the lamp for the 45 seconds, just like you do with your regular polish. So I just took it out of the lamp, and you can see just to go around it, this will all come off because it's just the powder, but where I put the Clearly Frisky, it's dry and ready to go. So that's just another option to show you some fun nails that you can do with their chromes.